Is there an internal tussle between two BJP legislators in Meghalaya? Well, after BJP MLA Sanbor Shulai criticized the health department led by A.L. Hegg of mishandling of COVID situation, the latter reacted saying such statements are demoralizing for the health workers. We have this report. Is there a tussle within the Meghalaya BJP? Well, BJP's South Shillong MLA Sanbor Shulai has alleged that the state health department has failed to properly tackle the COVID situation in the state. Shulai has alleged that the health department has especially failed those residing in containment zones. In a near direct attack on Hegg, Shulai said that the minister needs to be more proactive as far as random testing is concerned. Reacting to the allegations, Health Minister A.L. Hegg today said that the insensitive remarks by fellow party leader Shulai on the efforts put in by the health workers will only demoralize them. Hegg said that he doesn't pay heed to such comments and believes in doing his work.
So for me, I don't have I don't listen to anyone. I have a very peaceful sleep and I enjoy my sleep.
Making it clear that the statement made by the South Shillong MLA has hit the health workers, Hegg said that such remarks may have long-term impact.
That is only demoralize the hard work of our health workers. Really completely demoralized. Even I have seen the statement of the DHSMI today. It's really pain to all the doctors, the nurses, the health workers and everybody. If you are demotivated like that, then they will lose their interest also to work.
Inquired whether his statement could be politically motivated as the issue of sharing the cabinet berth is still lingering, Hegg said that is the prerogative of the central leadership and they will take a call on the issue.
The prerogative of the party, whatever party decide, I abide with the party decision. Simple.
It may be mentioned that both the BJP MLAs were to share the cabinet berth for 2.5 years each. Now, with the completion of 2.5 years, Shulai is looking for his turn to take the berth. However, the decision has been left to the central leadership. With inputs from Roshan Rai in Shillong, News Desk Report, Northeast Live.